of you.
Of you? What? Can you read the book to me?
Yes, Dad.
What do you see?
Tell me the story.
Yeah, will you tell us the story?
Dad didn't hear the story.
One day, there was a school hugging his trunk.
Whose trunk?
His.
Oh, okay.
And one day, there's a hamster in his little bowl.
Mm-hmm.
And one day, there was this day there was happy dog.
He's happy.
Yes.
Oh.
I will take the second page.
Okay.
Look. That's so funny.
What is it? Maggie, what is it?
It's a bear.
It's a bear.
Yeah. No. Here.
Oh, it's a bear with hair?
Yes.
Wow!
Who's hugging the bear?
Chimpanzee.
A chimpanzee, yeah.
What about this page?
Oh no. Those are cats playing together with their cheeks.
Yeah.
That's a funny word.
It is?
Yes.
What's the rest of the story?
Can you read the rest of the story?
Yuck.
Scoot a little closer.
One day there was a mean old dog.
Yeah.
That's this happy dog.
Oh no.
That's kind of sad. No, he said he was upset.
Yeah, when he gets happier and happier, he will.
Good.
And I'll mint.
Okay. Fair enough. What about this page? Hey.
Maggie.
What about this page?
Oh well, okay. Oh my me! I missed this dog! Oh, and I missed this dog!
Yeah.
That's a funny word!
Somebody knows there's a camera on. No, he's taking a video. You have to finish reading the story.
What about the second page? A funny word!
What funny word? Can you tell me the word?
Which
This is a funny word called this.
Tell me the story.
But it's a funny
Who's this?
might be a cow.
Maybe a cow? That's a good guess. Okay. Who's this?
A hamster, I guess.
A what?
A hamster.
Okay.
it's not a bad guess.
What's happening here?
This is nothing is happening there. It's just the lion.
Oh, okay.
And this is a hamster.
Okay.
Is that the end?
Not yet. Like this. I want bounce again.
Is it all done?